We have seen a lot of improvements within the firm because of the Revenue.io platform. We have actually seen a 20% increase in conversions in the year 2022 to date, and that's more clients and, ultimately more revenue.
One of the top reasons why we selected Revenue.io over other solutions was due to the fact that it had consolidated many different platforms that we were utilizing into one solution. And we found that consolidation helped us streamline training process and ramp time for our internal folks. Our sales team has been in touch with 60 to 70% more prospects, and we've been able to train our teams, internal customer service teams and sales teams, significantly faster.
With the help of guided selling, we have seen a 10% increase on meetings booked month on month, which is a great result for us because not only did we see fantastic adoption of the product, but we also saw a great effect on sales. Using guided selling, we were able to onboard entry-level salespeople where previously would have taken us 6 months. It's now taken us 3 to get them to be fantastic sellers producing great results.
One of the biggest success stories that I've seen with one of the reps using RingDNA, the dialer, and Conversation AI was that we've now seen her calls go from 1 to 2 meetings per month up to 10 to 12 per month. And from that, we've seen huge outputs in terms of new business generated.
This is another great use case for moments. So we also have the ability to populate checklists with moments now. So if there are like 3 things they need to ask, it'll automatically hear when they ask those, check it off.
Perfect. Holy And we can report on that?
Yeah, you can report on whether or not they're actually following the moments that are...
Oh my God.